Hi, this is Rakesh here from Technopact Software Private Limited, and today I'll be presenting our new product Trakomatic. Trakomatic is basically a safety and security device for personal cars, and though we build the devices keeping the personal car owners in mind, but our system supports logistics and cargos and fleet managers as well. So this is a tracking product, as well as it adds a great number of security and safety features to your cars. So let's go ahead and see what we have in this product. So what is Trakomatic? As I said, the Trakomatic is an advanced automotive electronics device that has been designed and developed to add exclusive safety and security features to a vehicle. The device has been developed mostly keeping personal vehicle owners in mind, but as I just said before a few seconds, it can be used with fleet managers, cargos, and logistic companies as well. In this demonstration video, we'll be focusing the personal car owners, and maybe in the next video we'll be talking about how the logistics and fleet managers can be benefited using Trakomatic. So why we developed Trakomatic, and what was the reason behind it? We have been doing research for last 4 years, and during our research we have talked with many people and tried to understand what kind of safety features they lack in their personal vehicles. I mean day-to-day safety features. Examples, some people don't drive their car personally, maybe drivers are driving their car, or they're basically sending their beloved one, family members to a trip with the driver when the person is not with them. And we asked many people, so what kind of features or safety features basically they need in their personal car or the lack. And many people came up with many different concerns, and we have filtered them and selected the top safety features that most people asked for. And those are basically their wishes. So they wanted to have those features in your car, where the car generally don't come with those kind of features. So let's see what most of them asked for. So the safety features that they asked, and then we filtered out and then we worked on, are number one is looking inside the car cabin remotely. This many people asked for this. They wanted to watch their vehicles closely when they're not with their vehicle. Scenario. There are different scenarios like sending your child in a car with the driver, or sending some other family member to somewhere with your driver, and you want to see that is everything good in your car, and you can watch them, clicking on photo, or talk to them if you require so. So that's some people asked us. Another thing that they asked and we worked on is notify a family member or friend when you are in trouble. So this was like you are driving a vehicle and you are in a trouble somewhere in the middle of road. This could be kind of robbery or any kind of trouble. So we added a feature where by pressing a small key or button, your family members or friends that you designated or that you set up beforehand will be notified that you are in trouble, and will give you a location of your car so that they can take further actions, calling the police and giving you locations, so that you could be safe easily. The next point is, as I just said, just the first point is the same point basically, watching your beloved ones once they are traveling in the car and you are not with them. So with the same thing, some people wanted to see what's happening inside the car, and even not your family member only. Sometimes your drivers drive your car, and you don't know if your if everything is okay, or some unwanted persons are getting inside your car. So you have to see them, you can do that. So we worked on that. Other request or wishes was that anti-theft feature. Now, there is chances like when you park a car outside, there are chances for theft. So, if we could build a system where the system can send you an alert when somebody tries to break into your car or someone unauthorized try to drive your car. So many people asked for that, and we worked on that. Yeah, we integrated that feature in Trakomatic. And the next point was again like if your car being misused by your driver. This is a common case when you hand over your car to your driver and you go inside your office and you don't have any idea what is being happened with your car. So the driver is driving your car somewhere, somebody unwanted is on board. Basically a feature where you can have a close look into your car and you can stop happening then. So these were the top features that most of people asked for, and there are lots of features. And the motto of this presentation is not to tell you all the features that we have. We have separate videos for that, but an overview of the product. So these were the primary features, or yeah, the features that most people asked for. Now, how did we fulfill the customer needs? So we looked into the market, and there was barely any product which could fulfill what the customers were asking for. There were some products which could do some GPS tracking, which had some Bluetooth handset for telephone calls, and some other products were there. But they are not an integrated product which could serve all the uses basically, as we saw on the previous screen. So we jumped into it and developed Trakomatic with all the features that they asked for. By installing the product, you can make your car much more safe and secure, and you can do a lot more with your car remotely. When I say remotely, that means there are exciting features like you can stop your car remotely using your cell phone, sending an SMS, or from our mobile application, or even using your computer. You can see your car, you can talk to your driver. So basically, you can do a lot of with your car, and again, it's remotely. Three major points are like watch and control your vehicle from anywhere, from your computer, your mobile, your tablets. Yes, you can watch inside your car. You can talk to your driver or whoever there inside your car. You can stop your car. You forgot to lock your door. Sometimes it happens with us, and you can lock the door. And many more other features are there which you can control remotely from your mobile, tablets, and computer. Access your vehicle's critical data and OBD codes easily. Now, OBD stands for onboard diagnostic systems. So what it does is basically it gates the error codes and instant status of your vehicle's engine and some other parts. This data is basically stored in your vehicle's computer. Most of the cars, the recent cars, are having a computer. So inside a circuit board or computer. So our system reads the data from that computer system of your car and gives you an access to those data. And those are really sometimes valuable and critical data that sometimes we need to look into. And there are no way to do that. So this device gives you an access to those OBD data. And you have access to enough tools to stop your car from being misused. As I said, there are many tools like watching your car, somebody unauthorized trying to drive your car, or somebody unwanted inside your car. So you can watch that closely, and yes, you can stop this misuse from your car. Now let's look into the cost of the product. When your car goes down, you spend a quite good amount of money to repair it, and this is without knowing if the problem really happened or not. Sometimes your technician says you that there is a problem in your car, blah blah blah, and charges you with a huge bill when your car gets serviced. But you are unaware, and there is no way for you to know if that problem really happened or not. So chances are quite high that you get fooled with wrong information. there is high chance of fuel being manipulated. Uh, you are getting the fuel bill from your driver or someone else who is driving your car, and the bill is something, and the actual fuel that injected in your car was something else. So especially when you depend on someone to drive your car, this happens. And there are chances for thefts and people trying to break through your car, and it happens with us always. So when this happens, you spend a lot to recover from those situations. There are some products in market which serves you partially. Partially means, when we say partially, means some products gives you a status of your fuel. Some products gives you access to a Bluetooth headset system. You can talk to your driver, and yeah, some products are there using which you can read the OBD codes and understand what is the actual problem inside your car. But there is again not a single product. So you have to spend a lot of money to install or buy all these products individually and install in your car. But in case of Trakomatic, by spending a little money in one time, you can save quite a bit of bad expenses that you generally do with your car, and add superior safety and features to your car. Next is strength and advantages of this product. Like how we differ from the other products, though there are barely you can find products that can be compared with us, but let's have some points. The first is the product is built with a high-end microprocessor. Generally, the automotive products, there are lots of automotive products that are in the market for different purposes, and they are developed with cheap electronic circuits, and we thought that building a product with a cheap electronic circuits may result to some inconsistent data or behavior. So yeah, we spent a bit more and used more advanced electronics parts to build this product. And it's a high-tech system that can be controlled virtually from anywhere. Now, yeah, the features that we provide, almost all the features can be controlled from anywhere using SMS or using your phone or using your computer. It's just not one or two features that you control. It's all the features that you can control from your computer. You can control using your cell phone or just sending an SMS. Packaged with an infrared camera that take pictures of your car cabin. We install a camera inside your car cabin, and you can remotely take a picture of your car cabin. We have a RFID packaged with the system. The RFID basically controls your ignition line of your vehicle and adds another level of safety. So when you have the RFID tag with you, your ignition lines gets activated and you can start your engine. But when you are away of your vehicle, nobody will be able to start your vehicle, even they have access to your original car key. So it adds another level of safety to your car. Access to OBD data, you can detect and understand the faults generated inside your car engine and different other parts, and this is quite a good feature in the system. If something bad happens to your car, you understand instantly by yourself that okay, this happened to you with my car, and you can take to the service station, and you can expect a legitimate bill because you know what's basically the problem. So there is less chance that you will get fooled with wrong information. You can view the instant fuel status and average mileage. Again, these are the data we gather from the OBD system. Monitor your engine performance, your coolant's temperature, and take preventive actions when necessary. If you notice the coolant temperatures is going high, or the load of the engine is like quite high, so it is quite obvious to think of there is some problem with your cars, and you can take it to your service center and check out what's the problem and just fix the problem and save yourself from destroying your engine or your coolant system. So these are the strengths of our system or the advantages. And that's it. I think I already gave you an overview of the product, what the product is, and what kind of features you are able to get from the product. And there are other videos in our channel that will demonstrate the features in more detail. Thanks you for watching this demonstration, and if you want to know more about the product, you can visit the URL that is being displayed on your screen, or call us on our support number, and you can talk to our technicians if you have any questions. Thank you.